Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new course in the Duolingo app. First you have to open up Duolingo, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our lessons from a course. From here we just go into the top left corner and tap on the course icon. Right now it's English, and then we can tap on the plus icon to add a new course. Here we have courses for English speakers, but if you tap on more, then we can find courses for different languages. So if you speak Dutch, for example, you can select these 3 courses. If you speak French, you can select from these courses. For Germans, these, and yeah, if you're Hungarian, you can choose from these. Duolingo has a lot of courses, and I'm pretty sure that you can find one that fits your needs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.